Hello and very welcome to this third video on our trigonometric series. Okay, now in this video we're going to be deriving the values of the special angles from 0 to 360 degree, because with a triangle we can't get above a 90 degree. Okay, so I will be filling these values a little bit speed up, and I will assume that you guys tried your best in getting the values, and if you didn't, you can still see the correction from here and try and correct what you made a mistake. Okay, now and again, notice we couldn't get 0 because there was no possibility of having 0 degree, but we're just gonna get this straight away from my calculator, and I can already tell that sine 0 is equal to 0. So I'll start with 0 here. Here is going to have a 0. Here we're going to have a 1. And remember, tan is opposite, is sine divided by cos, so we're going to have here a 0. Okay, cosecant is 1 divided by sine, so we're going to have an infinity here. Secant is 1 over cosine, so we have a 1. And here we have infinity since it's 1 divided by value of tangent. Now, heading to 30 degree, we have already seen what it is, but let me just punch it again on my calculator. Sine 30 is equal to 0.5. I'll put the values here in decimal or in fraction when necessary. Get 0.5 and sine 30, because 30 was 3 on 2, which is 0.866 or 0.867 if you want to round it up to a certain value. Okay, and for tangent it was 1 divided by root 3. Let me just punch this on my calculator. And 30 is equal to 0.577. Let me just have 0.58. 0.58. Cosecant of 30 is equal to 2. This will be 2 divided by root 3. You can get a value in decimal if you wish, but here I will go with fraction for some cases. Okay, cotangent of 30 is going to be root 3. I guess you know why, because the tan 30 is 1 divided by root 3, and 1 divided by 1 over root 3 is going to be root 3. Or you can see try just having the value here. That is 1 divided by 0.58 is equal to this. So square of this, it gives you almost 3, and that tells you that the square root of this value will be root 3. Okay, and sine 45, we add root 3 on 2, or you can have 1 over root 2 if you didn't rationalize. So we have root 2 on 2, and the same goes for cos 45. Yeah, because you could see that we had, you could see here that we had a 1 here and a 1 here. And if you had taken cos 45, you would have seen an adjacent with the value of 1 over root 2. Okay, so we have had the same thing. So for cos 45, we have root 2 on 2. Tan 45, we have 1. Yes, for tan 45, we have 1. Because dividing two values since the same will give you 1, and again taking opposite of adjacent, you're going to have a 1. So cosecant of 45 is going to be equal to root 2. Do you know why? Well, before rationalizing, the value of sine of 45 is 1 divided by root 2. So 1 over 1 divided by 1 over root 2 will end up giving us root 2. And same goes for sec 45. We get root 2. For cot of 45, we still get a 1. So I'll try and fill this 2 remaining column here a little bit faster. We're going to have a 0. Yes, we're going to have a 0. Now, heading to 120, sine 120. This video is going to be a little bit long, so really sorry for this. That was really necessary because there are some observations we are going to make from this table here that will be very, very important and will simplify your life while solving some trigonometric equations. Now, sine 120 sine 120 and that clearly gives you the same value as sine 60. Okay, so we have here return to cos 120. We have negative 0.5. Oh, we begin having negative values. Wow. And tangent of 120 is equal to negative minus 1.73. And this negative minus 1.73 is a negative value of this than 60 here. Okay. And here we're simply going to have, since 1 is a reciprocal, so we're going to have okay. Now let's move to sine 150. This is 0.5 cos 150. Negative root 3 on 2. Then 150. Negative 1 on root 3. Okay, and here we want to have value of 2, negative 2 on square root of 3, and here negative root 3. Okay, so we'll move now to sine 180. Sine 180 is 0. Cos 180 will be 1. Sorry, negative 1. And tan 180 will be equal to 0. Okay. Cosec of 180 and cot of 180 is equal to negative infinity. Okay, so 210. Now for the remaining values, I'll try and fill them very fast, and you can simply portion on your calculators and get the respective values. Okay, well, once done, this is all the values we should have here. Now, in the next video, I'm going to be taking this value and I'm going to analyze, because you can observe something here. Some values repeat themselves, but not in the same way. So we're going to try and interpret this, but we'll not interpret all in that particular video. We're going to try and interpret all of this, okay? So until next time, see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.